The most efficient way to make any video is to start by writing it down on paper. In regards to marketing videos, follow this 5-step formula to script your next video. First and foremost is the hook. This is the first 3 to 5 seconds of your video. In the hook, you want to grab someone's attention and create a feeling of curiosity for them to want to stick around and watch the rest. Secondly, you want to dive into the problems. People buy products and services because they have problems that need to be solved. So make those problems relatable and then offer the solution. What is your product? How does it work? How does it solve the viewer's problems? And how is it going to make their lives better? These are all things you want to address in the solutions. After that, you want to go into doubts and objections. No matter how great you say your product or service is, people are still going to have their doubts. So the way to combat that is to address the doubts with testimonials, reviews, endorsements, and anything that is factual, because nothing sells better than the truth. Lastly, ask for the buy. People want to buy if your ad is compelling, so ask for the sale clearly and directly.